So hello, good afternoon. I am Trisha Araquil, and I'm going to answer activity number 4. So for number 1, create a procedure that accepts the rating of a movie as a parameter and displays the title of the movie and the year it was released as an output. So first, we have to put create or replace procedure, then get underscore movie by rating, parenthesis P rating text, then language P LPGSQL as dollar quoting, then begin, and we have to create table if not exists movies underscore by underscore rating, then open close parenthesis the title, which is text, and the release year to int semicolon. Then we have to delete from movies by rating semicolon. Then we have to insert into movies by rating. Then we have to put title and release year. Then we have to select the film, the title, the F dot release year from film F. Then we have to put where F dot rating is equals to P underscore rating semicolon. Then put end semicolon and the dollar quoting. Then we have to call the get movie by rating, open and close parenthesis, quotation PG 13 semicolon, and select all from movies by rating. So let's try to run. So these are the results, which has the title and the release year. So for number 2, create a procedure that uses the customer ID and displays the amount paid and date of payment. So first, we have to put create or replace procedure. Then we have to get payment details, close and open parenthesis, P customer ID integer. Then language PLP GSQL as dollar quoting. Then begin. Then after begin, we have to put create table if not exists. Then we have to put customer underscore payments, close and open parenthesis. You have to put amount and numeric. Then payment date into time stamp. Timestamp without time zone. Then semicolon. After that, we have then to put delete from the customer payments. Semicolon. Then we have to insert into customer payments, close and open parenthesis, inside amount, then payment date. Then after that, we have to put select the P dot amount and the P dot payment date from payment P, where P payment where P dot customer ID is equals to P customer ID semicolon. Then put end semicolon, and also the dollar quoting. So we have to call and get the payment details to 1. inside the close and open parentheses. Then after that, we have to put select all from the customer payments. So let's try to run. So these are the results, which is the amount and the payment date. Now let's proceed to number 2. Create a function that outputs the number of films done by an actor. So we have to put the create or replace, then the function, then count films by actor, and open close parentheses has the actor ID in integer. Then we have to put returns integer as dollar quoting. Then declare the film count integer, semicolon. Then we have to begin. Then select count asterisk or all into film count rather. Then from the film actor, where the actor ID is equals to P actor ID, then semicolon. Then after that, we have to put return film count, semicolon, then end, semicolon, dollar quoting, then put language, PLPG SQL. Then we have to call the select count films by actor into 10. So let's try to run. Now let's proceed to number 4. Create a function that displays the number of staff per store. So first we have to put create or replace function. Then we have to count staff per store. Open and close parentheses. We have to put P store ID in integer. Then we have to put returns integer as then dollar count. Then we have to put declare the staff count integer, semicolon. Then after that, we have to put begin. Then select count in a parenthesis all into staff count from the staff, where store ID is equals to P store ID, semicolon. Then we have to return the staff count, semicolon. Then put end, semicolon. Then dollar count, language, PLPG, SQL. Then we have to call the select count staff per store in 1. So let's try. So this is the result of count staff per store. So now let's proceed to the last number, 5. Create a function or a procedure that displays United Kingdom for customers with country ID 102, United States for customer with country ID 103, and international customers for those not living in United Kingdom nor in United States. So we have to put first create or replace function. Then you have to put the categorize customers by country. In a close parenthesis, you have to put the P country ID in integer. Then you have to put returns text as then dollar count. Then we have to put begin. Then if P country ID is equals to 102, then return United Kingdom in a single quotation. Then semicolon. Else if P country ID is equals to 103, then return United States, semicolon. Then else return international customers in a single quotation, then semicolon, then put and if, semicolon, then end, semicolon. Then after that, dollar count, language, VLPG, SQL, semicolon. Then we have to call, select, categorize customers by country, values into 102, semicolon. Then also we have to put select, categorize customer by country into 100, 103. Then select also categorize customers by country, which values, let's say, put 99. So let's try to run. So this is the result.